Whether you're an established LNC blogger or a beginner, blogging can build your business. A well-targeted blog brings the clients you want to your virtual doorstep. It's also a powerful way to network with your peers in your field. Perhaps most important, it gives you an opportunity to communicate directly with your readers and potential customers. I'm Pat Iyer, the author of 60-plus books. I work with LNCs as a coach and a teacher. As someone who maintains 2 blogs on a regular basis, I bring my expertise in blogging to my work with my clients. I also get to hear their fears about blogging. It's a big commitment. You have to do it every week at least. How does anyone think of all those article subjects? No one will ever visit my blog. They've held on to their resistance because no one ever came along to challenge them and offer solutions. That's why I decided to author this book. When you read it and follow its recommendations, you'll be able to comfortably start or improve your blog. You'll learn what blogging schedule works best for you, how to create your blog posts, why consistency is more important than frequency, why you need to be mindful about how you use humor, the power of a good story. One of the most useful parts of this book is that it explores a wide variety of blogging styles. You can choose from a personal style blog, blogs based on quotations, a day in my business life format, how you solved a particular problem in your business, comments on events related to your business, and many more topics. The appendix of this book will entertain you with a story-based blog series. As an LNC, you have choices about how to spend your time and money. You can invest a fortune in advertising, or you can invest time in a blog. Read the book and learn that investing this time can yield you profits, and you might even have fun doing it. Order the book as an instant download version on my website at lnc.tips/creating series.